Adopting a healthy lifestyle is a transformative journey that empowers individuals to make positive choices across various life dimensions. At the heart of this endeavor lies balanced nutrition, a cornerstone that fuels both body and mind. By prioritizing a diverse array of nutrient-dense foods, you are choosing vitality. Imagine vibrant fruits and vegetables dancing on your plate, their rich colors hinting at a treasure trove of vitamins. Lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats work in harmony to create a kaleidoscope of flavors and health benefits. In this realm of nourishment, portion control becomes your trusted ally. Visualize yourself savoring each bite, discovering the limits of your hunger in a graceful, measured manner. As you eat the rainbow, each hue signifies a unique health benefit, amplifying your overall well-being. Don't forget hydration. Picture a refreshing cascade of water flowing through you, cleansing and revitalizing every cell. Beyond nutrition, regular physical activity beckons. Envision a world where each movement builds cardiovascular health, strength, and promotes mental joy. Aiming for 150 minutes of moderate exercise might seem daunting, but imagine breaking it into delightful segments: a brisk walk during lunch, a dance session at home, or spirited cycling with friends. Consistency becomes your mantra, nurturing your body with diverse workouts that keep monotony at bay. Sleep is the sanctuary where your body rejuvenates, restoring energy and enhancing cognitive clarity. Picture a tranquil night where quality sleep envelops you, nurturing dreams and healing processes. Establishing a soothing pre-sleep routine prepares your mind for a restful state, while a distraction-free environment shields you from the chaos of the day, ensuring peace surrounds your rest. Mental health and stress management weave seamlessly into this tapestry of wellness. Envision yourself practicing mindfulness, your thoughts aligning like beautiful music notes. Journaling, deep breathing, and yoga transport you to realms of serenity, where burdens lighten and clarity flourishes. Surround yourself with nurturing relationships, visualizing those you cherish as a supportive fortress, bolstering your emotional health. Finally, embracing healthy habits paves your path towards sustained success. Conjure a life filled with routines, the delightful anticipation of meal prepping, the invigorating rhythm of morning exercise, and the gentle cadence of self-care practices. As you cultivate these choices, the richer tapestry of a healthy lifestyle unfurls, guiding you to a future where wellness reigns and life flourishes.